The Spartan helmet, forged from a single piece of bronze, turned the warrior into something almost divine. Its narrow eye slits reduced his vision, but that was the point. It shut out distraction, fear, and mercy. The plume was more than decoration. It made him appear taller, more imposing, a living symbol of dread. In the crush of battle, the flash of a red crest meant one thing: the Spartans were here. The shield was the soul of the Spartan. Heavy, over 7 kilograms, it was not just for personal defense, it protected the man to the left. To lose it was dishonor. A Spartan mother's parting words were, "Return with it or on it." This shield bound the phalanx together, turning individuals into an unbreakable wall of bronze. The dory, the Spartan's primary weapon, roughly 2.5 meters of wood and bronze, balanced perfectly between stabbing power and reach. The spear's rear spike, the Soritor or lizard killer, was a counterweight and a backup weapon for finishing fallen foes. In the tight crush of a phalanx, this was the weapon that decided life and death. When the spear broke, the Xiphos took over. Short, deadly, and made for close quarters, it was the last argument of a Spartan. Its shape allowed for powerful thrusts in tight formation, where there was no room to swing, only to kill. The cuirass guarded the Spartan's heart. Early warriors wore solid bronze, later generations linen and leather layered for mobility. Every dent, every scratch told a story of survival. It wasn't just protection, it was proof of endurance. The greaves shielded the shins from low strikes and flying debris. In the chaos of phalanx combat, legs were often the first target once shields locked. The gleam of bronze below the knee was not vanity, it was survival. Simple, rugged, and made for endurance, Spartan footwear was built for miles of forced marches, rocky passes, and sudden charges. Some Spartans went barefoot in training, toughening the soles until they could run over stone and fire without flinching. The crimson cloak, the mark of a Spartan, its color masked blood, reminding both ally and enemy that a Spartan never showed weakness. On the field, it was both psychological warfare and symbol. Blood and honor woven into cloth. Individually, a Spartan was formidable. Together, they were unstoppable. Shoulder to shoulder, shield to shield, their phalanx crushed enemies not by numbers, but by will. Every strike, every step moved as one. It was not an army. It was a machine.